SecAI Plus Domain 1 Core AI Concepts. Foundations of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Cybersecurity. 1. Foundational Knowledge. Understand the core definitions, components, and fundamental processes of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. 2. Cybersecurity context. Differentiate between ML models, supervised, unsupervised, RL, and comprehend their specific applications and integrations within modern security architectures. Learning objectives. Artificial intelligence, AI broad concept of machines simulating human intelligence and cognitive functions. Machine learning, ML a subset of AI where systems learn patterns from data without explicit programming. Deep learning, DL a subset without explicit programming. Deep learning, DL a subset of ML utilizing multilayered artificial neural networks to solve highly complex problems. Cybersecurity role, shifts defense mechanisms from static, signature-based rules to dynamic, behavior-based threat detection. What is artificial intelligence? 1. Data prep. Gathering, cleaning, and formatting datasets, example, PCAP files, system logs. High-quality data is critical for accurate security models. 2. Model training. Feeding data into algorithms so the model learns relationships and patterns. Requires significant computational power and tuning. 3. Inference. Deploying the trained model into production to analyze new, unseen data and make real-time predictions or classifications. ML fundamentals, core process. Supervised. Trained on highly structured, labeled data. The model learns the relationship between input features and known target outputs. Example, spam versus non-spam. Unsupervised. Analyzes unlabeled data to discover hidden structures, patterns, or groupings without predefined categories. Excellent for zero-day discovery. Reinforcement. An agent learns by interacting with an environment, maximizing a reward signal through trial and error over time. 3 types of machine learning. Classification models. Predicts discrete, categorical labels. The model outputs a specific class for the input labels. The model outputs a specific class for the input data. Regression models. Predicts continuous numerical values or quantities based on historical data trends. Malware detection, classifying executable files as benign, ransomware, or Trojan based on known signatures and behaviors. Phishing filters, categorizing incoming emails as safe or malicious. Threat forecasting, predicting the expected volume of DDoS attacks during a specific seasonal period. Risk scoring, assigning dynamic risk scores to user sessions. Deep dive, supervised learning. Clustering algorithms. Automatically groups data points with similar characteristics without knowing what those groups represent beforehand. Anomaly detection. Identifies rare items, events, or observations which raise suspicions by differing significantly from the majority of the data. Network segmentation, grouping IoT devices on a network based on baseline communication behaviors to apply microsegmentation. Zero-day threats, detecting novel exploits that do not match any existing signatures by flagging extreme behavioral deviations. Deep dive, unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning. Agent-based learning. In reinforcement learning, an autonomous agent navigates a defined environment, taking actions to maximize cumulative rewards. Security application, automated penetration testing. RL agents simulate attackers, attempting to breach network environments, learning new attack paths, and learning new attack paths, and helping defenders patch vulnerabilities before human adversaries find them. Advantages. Disadvantages. Unstructured data excels at processing raw, complex data like images, audio, and vast log repositories. Feature extraction automatically determines which data features are most important without human intervention. Scalability, performance continues to improve as more data is fed into the system. Data hungry requires massive datasets to train accurately and avoid overfitting. High compute cost, training requires specialized hardware, GPUs, TPUs, and immense power. Black box problem, lack of explainability. It is difficult to determine exactly why a model made a specific security decision. Security decision. Introduction to deep learning. Input layer ingests the initial raw data, example, packet headers, file binaries. Hidden layers, intermediate layers where computational magic happens. Nodes multiply inputs by weights and apply activation functions to capture nonlinear relationships. Output layer produces the final prediction or classification, example, threat probability is equal to 98%. Weights and biases, parameters updated continuously during training to minimize the error rate. Neural networks architecture. Grid-like data. CNNs are specifically designed for processing data with a grid-like topology, most notably digital images and spatial representations. Convolution filters. They use convolution filters. They use convolutional filters to scan data in overlapping sections, preserving spatial relationships and detecting edges, textures, or specific structural anomalies. Security app. Malware visualization, converting malware binaries into grayscale images. CNNs can then visually classify the malware family with incredible speed and accuracy. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Sequential data. RNNs are designed for sequential or time series data. Unlike standard networks, they possess internal memory to remember previous inputs in a sequence. LSTMs, long short-term memory, LSTM, networks are advanced RNNs capable of learning long-term dependencies, overcoming the vanishing gradient problem of older RNNs. Security app. Log analysis, analyzing sequences of system events over time to detect lateral movement or domain generation algorithm, DGA, usage by botnets. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and LSTMs. Language tasks. NLP enables machines to process, interpret, and generate human language. Key tasks include cybersecurity use cases. NLP transforms unstructured textual data into actionable intelligence. Sentiment analysis. Entity extraction, NER. Text summarization. Language translation. Threat intelligence, scraping hacker forums and security blogs to automatically extract IOCs, indicators of compromise. Phishing defense, analyzing email semantics, urgency, and tone to block advanced social engineering attacks. Natural language processing, NLP. LLM. Foundation of modern AI. The attention revolution. Introduced in 2017, transformers replaced RNNs for NLP by utilizing self-attention mechanisms. This allows the model to weigh the importance of every word in a sequence relative to every other word, instantly capturing deep context. Key advantages: highly parallelizable, fast training on GPUs, and capable of processing massive context windows. They form the backbone of modern large language models, LLMs, like GPT and Gemini, empowering security analysts with conversational AI assistants. AI assistants, transformers and attention mechanisms. Rule-based automation, traditional scripts, if-then. Fast but brittle. Cannot adapt to new evasion techniques. Adaptive AI automation, ML models continuously update baselines. If threat behaviors shift, the AI adapts its detection thresholds autonomously. SOAR integration, security orchestration, automation, and response. AI drastically reduces alert fatigue by automating Tier 1 triage and executing pre-approved remediation playbooks. Automation in AI integration. 1. Prep and design. Define security objective, aggregate logs, clean data, and handle privacy constraints. 2. Train and test. Select algorithms. 2. Train and test. Select algorithm, execute training cycles, and validate against holdout testing sets. 3. Deploy and infer. Integrate the model into the SOC pipeline, example, firewall edge, for real-time inference. 4. Monitor and tune. Watch for model drift, ingest feedback from analysts, and trigger retraining loops. The AI security lifecycle. Epoch. 1. Complete pass of the entire training dataset through the machine learning algorithm. Multiple epochs are usually required. Overfitting. When a model learns the training data too well, including the noise, causing it to perform poorly on new, real-world data. Gradient descent. An optimization algorithm used to minimize the loss function by iteratively adjusting model weights in the direction of the steepest descent. Key terminology checklist. The F1 score calculation. Precision. Out of all alerts flagged as malicious, how many were actually malicious? Minimizes false positives. Recall. Out of all actual threats present, how many did the model successfully detect? Minimizes false negatives. F1 score, the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Essential for security datasets where normal traffic massively outweighs malicious traffic, class imbalance. AI metrics evaluating success. AI versus traditional security. UBA and threat hunting. AI engines establishing user baselines to flag compromised credentials or insider threats. Identity verification. Deep learning CNNs powering highly secure, liveness detecting facial and fingerprint biometrics. Advanced anti-phishing. NLP models scanning email headers, link destinations, and message semantics simultaneously. Real-world industry implementations. Adversarial ML. Attackers deliberately manipulate input data, example, adding imperceptible noise to malware to trick the model into a misclassification or false negative. Data poisoning. The malicious injection of bad data during the model's training phase, causing it to establish flawed baselines and trust attacker activity. Explainability, XAI. Deep learning's black box nature makes it difficult for security analysts to justify why a system blocked a CEO's legitimate access request. Model drift. Over time, as network environments evolve, the original training data becomes obsolete, leading to degraded model accuracy and missed alerts. Challenges and limitations. Defense in depth. AI is not a silver bullet. Use ML alongside traditional firewalls, signature scanners, and human oversight. Data pipeline integrity. Secure your training data. Implement strict access controls and validate datasets to prevent poisoning attacks. Continuous retraining. Establish automated feedback loops. When analysts flag false positives, feed that data back into the model to improve future inference. Maintain human in the loop. HITL critical mitigation or blocking actions should generally require human approval, especially in early deployment phases. Implementation best practices. Match the model to the problem. Be prepared to identify whether a scenario requires supervised, labeled, unsupervised, unlabeled anomaly, or RL. Vocabulary is key. Ensure strict understanding of terms like overfitting, precision versus recall, and neural network layers. Focus on vulnerabilities. Expect questions on how AI models themselves can be attacked, data poisoning versus adversarial evasion. Real-world use cases. Memorize which architectures solve which problems. CNNs is equal to imagery spatial, RNNs LSTMs is equal to sequential logs, transformers is equal to text NLP. Exam preparation tips. Paradigm shift. AI moves cybersecurity from a reactive, rule-based posture to a proactive, behavior-based defense capable of catching 0 days. Architecture matters. Deep learning and modern architectures, transformers, provide unprecedented capabilities but require massive data and compute resources. Human-centric. AI augments analysts by automating triage and handling massive data scale, but human critical thinking remains essential for final incident response. Summary and key takeaways. References and resources. Expand your knowledge beyond the core concepts. NIST AI RMF, Artificial Intelligence Risk Management Framework. MITRE Atlas Trademark Symbol Management Framework. MITRE Atlas Trademark Symbol, Adversarial Threat Landscape for AI Systems. SecAI Plus Official Study Guide, Domain 1, Chapter 1 Review.